Maggie Ogunbanwo was born in London before moving to Nigeria, where she was brought up. Now she lives in the village of Penygroes in North Wales. Maggie runs a bilingual business which sells sauces, spices, and very tasty food produce. Maggie comes from a family of cooks. When Maggie was in school in Nigeria, she sold her grandmother's tasty puff puffs, which are like donuts. The teachers weren't pleased that Maggie was selling puff puffs during school hours. Her parents were phoned and Maggie had to stop at once. Maggie was very good at cooking and selling puff puffs and didn't understand why the teachers weren't more supportive of her talents. Maggie moved to Wales and she became a big name in the Welsh food scene. When Maggie moved to Wales from Nigeria in West Africa, she began to sell African foods at food markets. This could be challenging as the food was fresh, and as such she had to ensure as little food was wasted as possible. It was a good day when customers bought everything she had in stock. Soon Maggie realized that her produce was popular, so she opened a cafe. Maggie was keen to bring African food to Penygroes. Maggie has also published a few cookbooks. Maggie is very proud of her cookery book, The Melting Pot, in which she shares tasty recipes. The book has won a Gourmand Award, which recognizes the best cookery books in the world. Following the success of The Melting Pot, a sequel may be on the horizon. Maggie has been working with the Welsh Government to help grow other food and drink businesses. In doing so, she feels as though she's helping others who are following a similar path. Maggie's family are proud of her success as a chef, author, and businesswoman. She enjoys working with her family. Maggie's son used to believe that you had to be on TV to be a proper chef. Maggie is very fond of chili in her food, but not so much that their heat burns her mouth. Much use is also made of mangoes. What is your favorite fruit? Maggie strongly believes in empowering women, and she tries to work with women as much as possible within her business. She is keen to see women overcoming the challenges they face. Maggie believes that everybody is good at something. Even if it takes a long time to achieve your aim, keep going. Maggie is inspired by seeing people being given a fair chance in life. Like seeds in a pot, Maggie believes that every single one of us is unique, so we should all bloom.